It's been very challenging times in the economy. A lot of company budgets are tight. And so typically I would react with a lot of pressure and urgency with my team.
Every time somebody would have an issue or somebody would raise an issue, that would just throw me off. And the next 2 days is slightly not very peaceful.
Today in the world, people in management positions are in high level of anxiety and a very tense way of living. If you do not know how to manage yourself, if you do not know how to manage your own mind, how will you manage 10,000 minds or 33,000 minds? It is important that every one of you must invest a little bit of time and energy upon yourself. It will pay off in a huge way.
Inner engineering has allowed me as a doctor to practice medical science with utmost sincerity, more creativity, and with a lot of devotion.
After the program, it's always calm. That calmness is something which I had no clue was possible.
When we say spiritual process, it's not about God, it's not about heaven. You must understand this is about self-knowledge. This is the greatest gadget, but you are operating without reading the user's manual. The user's manual, how to operate this one to the best of your ability, this knowledge must come to you, every one of you.
I think for a person who's deeply involved in the corporate world, with all the pressures and tensions that you feel, I think Shambhavi Mahamudra offers a huge opportunity of getting your emotions under control, getting the pressures off you,